Yes, 10th class students, today we'll read about the privileges of the members of the parliament. The members of both the houses of the parliament, that is the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, are entitled to certain privileges. Means some facilities, जिन्हें सहूलतें कहते हैं, कुछ एडवांटेजेस दिए गए हैं लोकसभा और राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स को पार्लियामेंट में. They can be grouped into the following heads. First is freedom of speech, भाषण देने की स्वतंत्रता. The members of the parliament have the freedom to speak out their views within as well as out of the parliament. They have also the right to get their views published in the press, though proceedings can be initiated against them for whatever they say in the parliament. पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर्स को भाषण देने की स्वतंत्रता है, चाहे वो पार्लियामेंट के अंदर हो या पार्लियामेंट के बाहर. उनको राइट है, उनको अधिकार है कि उनके व्यूज़ प्रेस में भी पब्लिश किए जा सकते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर में भी पब्लिश किए जा सकते हैं उनके व्यूज़, उनके विचार. कोई केस नहीं किया जा सकता, कोई प्रोसीडिंग्स नहीं हो सकती उनके खिलाफ, जो कुछ भी वो पार्लियामेंट में कहते हैं. Second is freedom of movement. The members of parliament have special freedom of movement during the session of the parliament. No member of the parliament can be kept in detention even if any case of criminal nature is going on in a court of law against him. If at all the law demands his detention, it can be only done with the prior permission of the chairman of the house, of which he happens to be a member. The members of the parliament have a freedom of movement. Means they can go from one country to another, from one state to another state. They can go everywhere in the world. They have special freedom of movement during when the parliament session is going on. No member of the parliament, किसी भी पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर को डिटेंशन मीन्स जेल में कैद नहीं रखा जा सकता. अगर क्रिमिनल नेचर का कोई कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ में केस भी चल रहा है उसके खिलाफ, अगर लॉ उसके डिटेंशन या जेल में बंद करने की डिमांड करता है तो उसको डिटेंशन यानी जेल में बंद करने से पहले हाउस के चेयरमैन की प्रियर परमिशन लेनी होगी, जिस हाउस का वो मेंबर है. Now parliamentary procedures. Parliamentary procedures are the formalities which the legislature have to observe in the course of their functions. Parliamentary procedures का मतलब है formalities जो legislatures को observe करनी होती हैं जब उनकी functioning हो रही होती है. Some of the most common procedures observed by the Indian Parliament and also by the state legislatures are given as under oath. शपथ ग्रहण करना. Oath means शपथ. After the general elections or by-elections or mid-term elections, general elections के बाद, by-elections या mid-term elections के बाद जो duly elected member होता है उसको शपथ लेनी होती है. और शपथ में क्या होता है? Let's read. I name of the member having been elected and nominated a member of the Council of State, so the House of the People, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will be true and owe allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. It is only after taking this oath, इस शपथ ग्रहण करने के बाद ही, that a member can take part in the proceedings of the house.